Namo Myoho Renge Kyo, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo, Namo Myoho Renge Kyo. Welcome, good friends. Thanks for being here. Thank you for your practice. Thank you for supporting this Sangha. Chanting is the term for today, or this video anyway. Chanting. 1. Engaging all 9 consciousnesses to train the sentient mind in full awareness of the engine of life. Number 2. A focused shutdown of distractions of the monkey mind, samsara, to penetrate the mind's full potential, gohonzon, of the momentum of life in the present. This moment, this moment, this moment, this moment. 3. Using sound, motion, repetition, memory, consciousnesses, breathing, attitude, and intent to engage Buddha. 4. Invoking enlightenment. 4 different ways of saying essentially the same thing. Chanting uses our natural samsaric tools, our 8 consciousnesses, to quickly transmigrate from a largely physical, parameterized existence to a mentally focused experience of our 9th consciousness. Also samsaric, but with the proviso that it breaks through the samsaric limitations of the physical realm, the physical realms, right? And shifts totally, completely into the mental realms or realm. As a device, chanting, with the addition of a Nichiren mandala, for the action of freeing ourselves from the distractions of our sense organs, whose consciousnesses are constantly active and aware, the chanting provides an activity to marshal our lower 5 consciousnesses with sound, speech, sensations of vibrations in our bodies, breathing. In addition, the remaining 3 consciousnesses of samsara are consumed in the maintaining of the rhythm and pronunciation of recitation, as the eyes are focused on the mandala of the treasure tower, as we meet the Buddhas Shakyamuni and Tahoe, using the Daimoku of the Lotus Sutra method for this self-realization of Buddha or Buddha-ness, yes? This is a mind state of completely detached and complete experience of the engine of life. This is why Buddhists do not chant for things. Desire for things is the very antithesis, the opposite, of the effort to liberate ourselves from our attachment to things, right? It's complete. Why that thinking exists in this era, these are very bad teachers. These are people working against the very thing we're trying to achieve: enlightenment, detachment, perfect understanding, right? You can't be detached by chanting, wishing, praying for things. That's the exact opposite. Duh. Yeah. Okay. We chant because it is active, right? It's an action, a personal commitment for insight and self-realization, and the action we take to invoke our Buddha-ness. We do not seek enlightenment to come to us from outside of ourselves. Enlightenment is inherent in us and simply requires that we awaken it. Just like waking up in the morning, or whenever you wake up. Waking up from sleep. There you go. This is indeed that which we realize. That is to say, that we manifest our innate Buddha nature through this action of chanting. It's very important to understand this, that with every Daimoku, you are awakening Buddha-ness. Now, you can force yourself to make that act and open your Buddha-ness while at the same time forcing samsara into the equation. You're just getting in your own way, right? That's like trying to take a step forward while at the same time dropping bags of concrete mix in front of yourself to stumble over. Why would you do that? Right? Just simply walk forward. We create our own obstacles, right? And that's chanting. I hope that's clear. I hope that not only is that clear what chanting is in Buddhism, as I sometimes call it, active meditation, right? Because it's a focusing of the mind for a singular purpose. And I think it's important that we understand chanting as a samsaric activity, engaging all of our consciousnesses, but that the act of performing the chanting of the Daimoku has only one goal, as Nichiren says, single-mindedly seek Buddha, meet Buddha, instantiate Buddha. There is no other reason to chant. Everything else is worked out by that simple, singular goal. Anyone who tells you different has a different agenda. They're not teaching Buddhism. So be wary. There's only one definition. Certainly, if you ask Nichiren, he would be very clear on this point. And once again, I have to make sure you know how much gratitude I feel and pride I feel in your determination, your efforts in this practice. Not least of which is coming in, listening to these podcasts, watching these videos, using the threefoldlotus.com website for resources. Those of you who can, who purchase ebooks or print books off Lulu, mandalas, or who make donations through Patreon and PayPal. All of us are grateful for that, right? Because this resource is all about supporting our practice. And that support comes in the way of creating confidence, clarity, right? Get the language is wonderful, and it's wonderful to study history and all the linguistics and weird translations. But ultimately, as Shakyamuni urged us, don't get trapped in the words. Get the insights, get the meaning, because each one of us has our own unique path to this aha moment, this renge. I get it. Namo Myo Renge Kyo. Your Buddhahood. So, I hope this encourages you. If you have questions, use the comments or email me. Let me know. In the meantime, take care of your health, be kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Namo Myo Renge Kyo. Bye for now.